I invite you now to settle into this comfortable space where we can fully relax without any distractions. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath, allowing your lungs to fill completely. And then exhale, releasing any tension. Let this breath be an invitation to begin an opening into stillness, letting your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, your whole body begin to relax. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive more fully in this moment. Simply be here now. Let your attention move to the space of your heart, the quiet center of your being. Feel your heart gently beating, steady and calm. With each heartbeat, imagine a soft energy radiating outward. Visualize your heart opening gently, like a flower to the morning sun. There's no need to force anything. Just allow your heart to soften, to receive, and to rest. With every breath, feel a growing warmth and openness in this sacred space within you. Visualize a gentle, radiant light descending from above. That light is soft, warm, and full of divine love. It flows slowly and gracefully, like sunlight streaming through the clouds. This is the presence of God, pure, eternal, unconditionally loving. Feel it embracing you, wrapping you in comfort, peace, and calm. Allow this light to cover you entirely, like a protective and nurturing blanket. Feel it enter your body, flowing through every cell, cleansing your mind of worry, your heart of pain, your soul of doubt. Let this divine presence hold you. In this moment of deep connection, allow yourself to speak directly to God, saying, God, I'm here. I open my heart to you. Let me feel your presence. Guide me. Hold me. Love me. Allow the words to echo softly in your soul. You are returning to the truth that you are already connected to the source of everything. Let this moment be a homecoming. Allow yourself to feel whatever rises. There is no right or wrong way to experience God. Just be present. Bring your awareness back to the light, to your heart, to the stillness. Let yourself rest in the awareness of God's presence. Just feel it. God is with you, not as a distant figure, but as a loving presence that lives within you and around you. Every breath you take is a reminder of that divine connection. Every moment of stillness is a doorway back to divine peace. And now slowly begin to return to your body, feeling the ground beneath you, the air that touches your skin, breathing in gratitude, breathing out peace. And when you're ready, gently begin the process of opening your eyes, bringing this sense of divine connection with you, knowing you are loved deeply, eternally, and unconditionally.